Guys are posted up on this porch like they know her.
Y'all good? Hello? Y'all just chilling outside on my porch, or, I mean, like, okay, have a good one.
This lady seems to make a habit of coming to this house tweaking.
Leave, or I'm calling the police.
Somebody by the name of
No.
Brian stay here? No?
Who are you looking for?
Somebody told me to ask if somebody's name was Brian that stayed
Why?
here. He says that he wants to talk to him about the movie called Smurfs.
Yeah, you're gonna have to
Yeah, I gave him.
leave, please. No.
Okay.
Stop coming back here.
If you have issues with repeat offenders, just call the police and get them trespassed. Like this guy, he definitely needs to be trespassed.
Because we went to see some little package at the door.
Don't forget to keep those doors locked. With the holiday season approaching, these thieves are going to take any opportunity given. This guy hides under this cover to try to get away from the police. The owner comes out to defend herself after seeing the activity. More ladies should exercise their right to carry firearms, especially with a situation like this when creeps are following you. This guy attempts to get into this house. After a failed attempt, he nods off. This guy breaks into this house but gets scared off by the owner. If anyone knows, let me know what he's saying in the comments.
Era vos, ¿qué tú haces? Ah, cabrón, te estoy grabando, huele bicho, ¿viste? Voy para allá, cabrón. Voy para allá, cabrón. Dale, papi, voy para allá, ya te cogí, ya te vi.
Please make sure you keep those doors locked. This guy just walks right into someone's home. This guy pulls up and steals this Kia. Not sure if he has a key or maybe he hotwired it up, but knowing Kia, it's not too hard to steal it all. This petty Patty steals some floor mats from this house. Just pick a porch to lounge on. Not this one.
Sorry, I was just enjoying the pillars.
Enjoy them from a distance.
Sorry.
Well, I'm just saying. In the place
This
I
lady's
live.
drunk and trying to get into this home. Thankfully, this other lady's here to stop her.
Go right hand. No, because they're gonna freak out because they're weird liberals. Sometimes liberals freak out. No, you can't go in there. No, you can't.
I'm good.
No, let go. Listen.
Try to be very careful this season. A lot of these thieves are getting real desperate. This guy's getting robbed at gunpoint.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Check this guy out. He just wants to steal.
Hello. Yeah, I'm just in here. Don't knock or ring the bell. Dogs will go crazy, and so will we. We welcome you. 12:59. I got to go. Thank you, Jesus. Ready to go.
We got another robbery, broad daylight.
Empty your goddamn pocket, bitch! Empty them! Now!
How you doing? I asked you, why did you remove mail from there?
It's a flyer. So it might live right there.
Yes, they do. That's why I'm asking you.
Oh, it's a flyer. I need the flyer. You got one?
No.
Oh.
But the lady lives, Wow. So you just go around stealing people's mail. Okay. All right.
If you don't lock up your valuables, I suggest you do it now, especially if you store them outside. This guy just stole 2 scooters.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, that's him.
How can I help you? It's a crackhead, bro.
Cricket.
Hey, what's your problem? What's your problem? Huh? You want water?
Daylight, this guy tries to steal a bike from this business.
I know, bro.
Not sure what's the obsession with people stealing these decorations. Seems real petty. Seems like this lady is being bullied by her neighbors. She has a lot going on.
Fucking.
Not sure what kind of liquid that is. Another decoration thief.
Yeah. She's, oh my god, my cousin, wow. Yeah. Yeah, she's a bitch. She's banging. She's threatening grandma and all that. It's crazy. She was trying to fight her grandma and all that.
Well, I'm here, so she should have been.
I know, like. Oh my god, I'm gonna text.
This guy comes up to this lady's door trying to sell an air conditioning unit. He's way too young to be strung out like this.
What the hell?
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can
What,
do it
what
now.
do you want?
Hey, Mom, who's not here? And we knew Auntie. Auntie, I'm just 25 years old. My mom, she shut her air conditioner so she get us.
You better get
My
the
family
fuck
took
off my
my
motherfucking porch. You better get the fuck off my porch before I start shooting. Fuck wrong with you, crazy ass. Crazy as fuck. Coming over people's houses with motherfucking air conditioning. I'll fuck you up.
Next time you pop my door, on my mailbox, I'm calling the cops on your bitch ass, you fat bitch.
These guys check the windows of this house to do a robbery, but the owner catches them.
Can I help you? What are you doing? Get the fuck from my yard, bitch.
Make sure you guys keep those doors locked. Not sure what's up with these people just checking people's doors all day. This guy claims he's trying to get his water bottles filled. What would you do?
Welcome.
Not interested. Good night.
Can you fill up my bottle with water, please? Hello?
Who's there?
Sorry, wrong house.
I'm gonna call the police right now.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
The holiday seasons are quickly approaching.
Ain't
Don't forget
nobody.
about your other delivery options. Amazon lockers.
Be right there.
Mind your own fork.
Guard your valuables this season. These porch pirates will enter your garage.
Can I
Hello?
can I help you? That you went in my front for like 10 minutes?
For Debbie. I'm waiting for Debbie. I'm waiting for Debbie.
I'm sorry?
For Debbie.
This guy tries and check if this door is open, but the owner pulls up just in time.
Hi, I'm meeting with somebody. Oh.
This guy's been creeping around this house. Probably thinks no one's home because his driveway's empty.
Hi, can I help you?
Yeah, she's coming. I called Debbie and she's coming. I'm waiting for her.
For who? You're waiting for who? I don't understand why you're in front of my property for 10 minutes. So I don't know who you're waiting for.
What are you doing?
Are you fucking kidding? Are you kidding?
Sorry, we're not interested. Have a great day.
This bird got a package. I have a package in the middle.
I don't have a package coming to my house.
The package I sent you.
So go away, please.
I hear it though.
This guy tries to bait this lady out with a package. He definitely doesn't look like a delivery guy. This is a very strange situation. This guy gains entry into the car and steals their car.
That's what I'm doing.